Ever wondered who would win in a clash of titans, SCHD, DGRO, or YVM in the domain of dividend growth? Welcome to the epic battlefield where these giants of the investment world cross swords. Let's start by unraveling the warriors. SCHD, or the Schwab US Dividend Equity ETF, is a seasoned player in this game. It's a fund that aims to track the performance of high dividend-yielding US stocks. It's been around for a while and has built a reputation for its consistent performance. Next we have DGRO, the iShares Core Dividend Growth ETF. This fund's strategy is a bit different. It's not just about high dividends but about companies that have a history of growing their dividends. It's a bit like betting on a horse that not only runs fast but keeps getting faster. And finally we have YVM, the Yield Shares High Income ETF. This is a fund that aims to provide a high current income. To put it simply, they're the ones handing out the biggest checks right now. Now, why does dividend growth matter? Well, dividends are like the icing on your investment cake. They are the payments that companies make to their shareholders from their profits. When these dividends grow, it's a sign that the company is doing well and can afford to give more back to its investors. It's like getting a raise in your salary, but for your investments. So when we talk about SCHD, DGRO, and YVM, we're talking about funds that focus on companies that are not just profitable, but are also generous in sharing these profits with their shareholders. And when these dividends grow over time, it's a sign that these companies are not just surviving, but thriving. This is the battlefield we're stepping into. 3 funds, each with its own strategy and strengths. But who will emerge victorious? Who will claim the crown of dividend growth? Stay tuned as we delve deeper and uncover who among SCHD, DGRO, and YVM takes the crown for dividend growth. Hello viewers, if you are enjoying this content, and you do not want to miss future videos filled with even more tips, tricks, and inspiration, hit that subscribe button now to stay tuned with us, and remember to comment and share. First up, let's unravel the prowess of SCHD in the arena of dividend growth. When it comes to steady, reliable dividend growth, SCHD, or the Schwab US Dividend Equity ETF, has been turning heads. Its performance has been nothing short of impressive, consistently demonstrating resilience and growth in a volatile market. Now, what makes SCHD stand out? It's the fund's focus on high-quality, large-cap companies with a track record of paying dividends. These are companies that have not only survived but thrived through economic downturns, and their commitment to returning profits to shareholders is unwavering. But it's not just about the companies SCHD invests in. The fund's methodology is a key strength. It selects firms based on 4 fundamental factors: cash flow to total debt, return on equity, dividend yield, and 5-year dividend growth rate. This approach ensures that the fund is invested in companies that are financially healthy and committed to growing their dividends. However, every silver lining has a cloud. SCHD's strength can also be its weakness. Its focus on large-cap companies means it has less exposure to small and mid-cap firms that might offer higher growth potential. It's a conservative approach, and while it offers stability, it may limit the upside during market rallies. Now let's talk numbers. Did you know that since its inception in 2011, SCHD has grown its dividend at an average annual pace of over 6%? That's a testament to its commitment to dividend growth. And in the past 5 years, it has outpaced the broader market, delivering an average annual return of over 12%. But here's a surprising fact. Despite its focus on dividend growth, SCHD also offers a competitive yield. As of now, its trailing 12-month yield is over 3%, which is considerably higher than many of its peers in the dividend growth space. SCHD certainly brings power to the table, but how does it stack up against DGRO and YVM? Let's find out. Next in line, DGRO. Could this be the dark horse in our dividend growth race? Let's dive into the nitty-gritty of the iShares Core Dividend Growth ETF, DGRO. This fund, managed by BlackRock, has a unique approach to dividend growth. Instead of focusing on the highest-yielding securities, it targets companies that have a sustained record of growing their dividends. You might find it surprising that DGRO doesn't chase after the high-yield stocks. Instead, it's all about consistency and reliability. The fund looks for businesses that have not just paid dividends but have increased them over the past 5 years. This strategy might seem counterintuitive at first glance. After all, aren't we after the highest returns? But let's consider this. Companies that consistently grow their dividends are often financially stable, with robust business models. And that kind of stability can be a boon in volatile markets. DGRO's performance is a testament to this strategy. Over the past 5 years, it's displayed steady growth with a compound annual growth rate of around 7%. But let's not forget, past performance is not indicative of future results, and investing always comes with risks. Now, let's talk about its weaknesses. The fund's focus on dividend growth means it might overlook other potentially profitable stocks. Plus, its strategy leans heavily on the financial health of the companies it invests in. So if those companies hit a rough patch, DGRO could feel the impact. But here's a surprising fact. Despite its relatively conservative approach, DGRO boasts a diversified portfolio. It holds positions in over 400 companies across various sectors. This broad diversification can help cushion against market volatility. So what do we make of DGRO? It's a fund that prioritizes consistency over high yields, a strategy that has its merits. But it also has its limitations, which could impact its performance in certain market conditions. DGRO has its unique charm, but is it enough to outshine SCHD and YVM? Stick around to find out. Finally, let's size up YVM. Could this underdog surprise us all? In the world of dividends, YVM might be seen as the lesser-known entity, but it's one that has been steadily making its mark. Often overlooked, YVM has been quietly delivering solid performance, proving that sometimes the biggest surprises come in small packages. Let's dive into the performance of YVM. Over the past 5 years, YVM has shown consistent and impressive growth. While it may not have had the meteoric rise of some of its competitors, its steady upward trajectory should not be underestimated. It's a testament to the old adage, slow and steady wins the race. Now let's discuss the strengths of YVM. Its diverse portfolio of dividend-paying companies gives it a unique edge. This diversity not only reduces risk, but it also allows YVM to capitalize on the growth of various sectors. This approach has allowed YVM to maintain a stable dividend yield, which is a win for investors seeking consistency. However, every rose has its thorn, and YVM is no exception. One of its main weaknesses lies in its relatively smaller size compared to SCHD and DGRO. This means it might not have the same level of liquidity, which could be a concern for some investors. But remember, size isn't everything, and YVM's consistent growth could well offset this potential drawback. Now for some surprising facts. Did you know that despite being the underdog, YVM has outperformed many of its larger peers in terms of dividend growth over the past decade? Quite a feat for the little guy, wouldn't you agree? So, YVM might not have the same name recognition as SCHD or DGRO, but it's been quietly building a reputation for consistent growth and stability. Its diverse portfolio and impressive dividend growth make it a compelling contender. YVM has shown us its cards, but will it be enough to take the crown? The big reveal is coming up next. The moment of truth has arrived. Who among SCHD, DGRO, and YVM takes the crown for dividend growth? Let's dive into the facts and figures to find our champion. We'll start with SCHD, the stalwart contender. Over the last decade, SCHD has consistently shown strong dividend growth, with a solid track record of increasing payouts year over year. Its portfolio, composed of high-quality blue-chip companies, has certainly proven its resilience in various market conditions, making it a reliable choice for those seeking steady income. Next we have DGRO, the dark horse. Despite being relatively new to the scene, DGRO has quickly gained traction among dividend investors. It has a unique approach, focusing on dividend growth rather than high yield, which has resulted in impressive performance. The strategy seems to be paying off, with DGRO boasting an annualized return that certainly gives its competitors a run for their money. And then there's YVM, the underdog. YVM may not have the size or the history of its counterparts, but it has shown a commendable performance in terms of dividend growth. With a focus on mid-cap companies, YVM provides a unique opportunity for investors to tap into the potential of these growing businesses, offering a tantalizing mix of income and growth. Now as for the final verdict and the crown, drum roll please. The crown goes to DGRO. Yes, the dark horse takes the win. With its unique strategy and impressive performance, DGRO stands out as the king of dividend growth among SCHD, DGRO, and YVM. And there we have it, folks, the king of dividend growth among SCHD, DGRO, and YVM. But remember, the market is always evolving, so keep learning, keep investing. If you enjoyed this content, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Until next time, keep growing your dividends.